Cavs on a Thursday night party. Yeah. Slab one. Got peel paw. Gotta peel off the gum. The gate. Q-tippy. With the candle. Polluted Percy. Inflating Nathan. And Blurry Blair. Backed out. Slab two. Clark Dwayne. Dollar Twyla. Scout Rail. How we hanging? Tanya mother hide. Fishy Phyllis. The beach. Stinking up the place. Spencer Dispenser. Luke. Poop. Backed out. Slab three. Newly Dead Ed. Montezuma. Tommy Gunn. Brian Ryan stomping on shit. Looney Lenny Green. Can't stand it. Dick Hit with the poodle. Heathen Trainer. Slab 4 from Ben G 76 Show. Bruce Lee. Ultraviolet. 3D. Blurry Blair. Tom Vick, 3-time loser. Oh shit. Jan Hand just drooling. Adamania on the farm. Graffiti Petey. And Ray Decay, my boy. Backed out. And that's the Cone Cobbers, baby.